This Play Kitchen appliance set has been such a fun addition to our pretend play at home, and it keeps my child engaged for long stretches of time. It comes with a coffee maker, mixer, toaster, and blender, so it really feels like a complete little kitchen setup instead of just one toy. What I love most is how interactive everything is. The appliances have realistic sound and light features, which instantly make the play feel more real and exciting. I think the neatest piece is the coffee maker because you can actually add water to it, and then you press a button and the water comes out into the mug. It's such a fun, interactive detail that really brings the experience to life, and my son gets so excited to make coffee just like his dad does. I also love seeing him with the mixer because he likes to pretend that he's baking in the kitchen like I do. The toaster is awesome too because you set the timer and push the bread down, and then it really pops up when the timer goes off. And the blender spins and makes noise, which is cool too. All of those little details really encourage imaginative play and role-playing. The pieces are easy for small hands to use, and everything feels sturdy enough to handle daily play. It's perfect for encouraging creativity, role-playing, and developing fine motor skills. My son can spend hours cooking and baking, and I love that it keeps him entertained while also inspiring imagination. Another big plus is that this set works well on its own or alongside a larger play kitchen. It would also be a great option if you don't have space for a full kitchen setup, but you still want a lot of pretend play value. Overall, this is one of those toys that actually gets used again and again. If you're looking for a fun, engaging play kitchen accessory set, this one is definitely worth checking out.